This is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your Eureka Crystal Beads most recent collection, and it is called Charming Cottage Collection, and this is in collaboration with Gina from Orchid and Opal Beaded Jewelry, and she always does such beautiful, beautiful collections. We also have some codes for you. Charming Save. I'll put these in the description box below the video on the screen too. That will get you an extra 10% off any two collections and an extra 15% off if you get 3 or more collections. So the code is valid 3/6 through 3/13, one use per customer. Okay, let's take a look at these beautiful beads. Okay, so I've taken the package out of the bag, and it's always wrapped in tissue. And for those of you who are not familiar with these collections, these are not subscriptions. This is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that Eureka Crystal Beads puts together, generally monthly on their website. And of course, this one is in collaboration with Gina. So, you know, you take a look at it and you love it, you know, you buy it. So if you're not a subscription person, then this could just be right for you. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm not going to crinkle too much. I'm just going to show you. Look at that gorgeous picture. Oh, doesn't that make you want the warm weather and spring to come in this part of the world? Okay, let's open everything up and we'll take a look. Okay, so here's the picture a little bit closer up, and I love hydrangeas. I grow them every year. I love them. They don't always come back. I don't know if you have that problem as well, but last year they were gorgeous, and I love the path here. It's just a lovely little cottage garden picture. That's like my favorite way to grow flowers. And then we have our list. So first on the back, there's a lovely poem, and it's just beautiful. And I'll let you read that, but lovely. And here is our list. So the Charming Cottage Collection. Every item is identified by its SKU number. Of course, we have all of the categories, so I forgot to add that. Seed beads, Czech glass, Swarovski crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, cabochons, and findings. And every item is identified by its SKU number, so this number identifies this item. So if you want to type it into the search bar, let's say you want to order more beads, this is what I do. I just type that in and the item comes up. So here you go. It's also free U.S. shipping on all orders over $39.99. Where it says ×2 and such, you get 2 of that particular item. All right, let's take a look at these beautiful beads. We have a Miyuki Round 11-0 seed bead mix, and you get 20 grams of this mix. And these are stunning. Look how pretty they are. All these beautiful spring colors. And they're Miyuki, which, you know, are my favorites. Gorgeous. Next up, we have a Miyuki Round seed bead, 15-0. This is a mix, a 10-gram tube. I just took it out of the tube, so you have this 15-0 gorgeous mix. Beautiful. I love the colors. So springy, so beautiful. Next up, we have a Miyuki Round seed bead mix, and this is in all different sizes. So it looks like we have 8-0s, 15-0s, and 11-0s, and it's all in this beautiful silver. Isn't that beautiful? I love mixes. So you get the same color in all different sizes. You know, my favorite way to bead. Okay, pulled in super tight for the Delica. So this is like a crystal, it looks like a crystal AB to me. So you've got a Miyuki Delica, and this is a 7.6 gram tube. Soho Demi Round, this is an 11-0, and it's matte, color transparent gold luster hydrangea. That's a mouthful. So pretty. Looks just like the purplish hydrangeas. So pretty. Next up, we have some 2-hole tile beads. So we're doing the Czech glass now. 6mm checkmate strand of 50. And that's beautiful. That's a really pretty color. It's like an AB, but it's got a lot of amethyst or purple. Yeah, amethyst, I think. If you look in the light. Wow, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Next up, we have a 3-hole bean bead, 3x10mm checkmates, 2.5-inch tube. And that's in opaque white, luster opaque white. So there's the bead right there. Beautiful. We have a Rula bead. This is a Czech glass bead, 5x3mm, 2.5-inch tube. And look at that gorgeous green color. What is this called? Metallic green. Isn't that pretty? So Rula bead is kind of, it's got 2 holes, and it's like kind of almost like a cylinder, but not quite. It's a little bit of, is it a cylinder? Let's see. Well, yeah, it kind of is a cylinder. That's pretty. So we have a Czech glass English cut bead in 3mm, strand of 50, and this is pretty. This looks like a an opal, like amethyst opal maybe. An English cut, I don't know, it's similar to a rondelle or a roundish faceted bead. We have a fire polish, 6mm fire polish. This is gorgeous, this color. It is a strand of 25 and it's crystal violet AB. Isn't that pretty? And look at these flower cap beads. These are beautiful. So it's kind of like it looks like a stone, doesn't it? It's got some like maybe amethyst or burgundy maybe, and some white going through it. That's really pretty. And what size is this? This is 5 by 5mm. You get 50 pack of 15. And they're just all different colors, but they're beautiful. Look at how pretty the colors are. So we've got some sort of yellows and blues and purples. Very beautiful. These pretty. So we have the Swarovski crystal, and we have an octagon stone, 27 by 18, and that is stunning. Look at that color. Oh, I love this. So beautiful. We have to work with this guy. This has got to become a pendant or a really statement bracelet. That is so beautiful. That's gorgeous. Look at the little 12 millimeter trillion stones, also in a purpley sort of lavender color. Look at these round beads. These are faceted rounds. They're 4mm. You get a pack of 25. And these are all bagged separately. As I said, I just take them out so you can get a closer look at them. So really pretty. We haven't seen these. I don't think we've seen Swarovski faceted round beads before, unless I've missed them. So really beautiful. These gorgeous crystal round pearls, 6mm. You get a strand of 65 in light gray. The Swarovski, and you know me and my pearls, absolutely adore them. These are just stunning. Look at this little puddle of pearls there. Beautiful. Okay, next up we have this Preciosa bicone mix. They're 3 to 6mm. You get a pack of 72. And look at that gorgeous full Labrador. I believe that's what the color is. So pretty. Preciosa just makes the most beautiful bicones. Look at that sparkle. So pretty. Got a beautiful strand of Chinese crystal rondelles, 3 by 2mm. I don't know how many, it doesn't say how many here, but there are a lot. And you know, we love these. These are just like an old favorite that we use so much of. That's beautiful. Love the color. It's very sparkly. We have this 18 by 13mm gemstone cabochon. It says it's a natural cabochon. I looked up the color. It's white jade orchid. Now, I don't know if it's white jade dyed orchid or if that's an actual natural color. I don't know. But it's gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. And believe it or not, when I put this ring on, you can make this ring. You have the delicates, and you have the 15-0s, and you have the cabochon. When I put this ring on, I didn't know this was in the collection. I just put this ring on because it matched my sweater. So really, believe me, I did not know, but that's kind of cool. I'll link that ring down below for you. Very pretty. The findings, and we have Gleamcraft Findings Link Rose Connector, 17 by 22mm. You get 2 of them. That's really pretty. That's beautiful. I love the antique look of that. That's gorgeous. And then you get some head pins. They have a little ball on them. And it is about 1.5 inches. Get a pack of 20. And you got a little chain here, oval cable chain. You get a little over 1.5 feet. And look at the pretty toggle. I love this toggle. I've used this toggle many times. I think it's beautiful. So there you go. Okay, here you go. Here's your charming cottage collection curated by Gina from Orchid and Opal Beaded Jewelry, and she does such a beautiful job. Gorgeous. I love the tanzanites and the purples, and of course this picture is just how I love my yard to be. And I love hydrangeas. I love these colors, the silvers, the greens, so beautiful, so summery and gorgeous. I couldn't even fit it all in here, so I'm holding the findings here. I love this cabochon, and honestly, I'm telling you, I think it's beady telepathy, because that has happened to me so many times where I'll be thinking about a bead, and then I'll, you know, or a design or something, and then I'll put up a YouTube video, and one of my viewers will say, oh my gosh, I was thinking the exact same thing. So I think that's happened right there with that cabochon, because you can make this ring. So I'll link this down below. Anyway, I'll put all the information for the discount codes and everything in the description box below the video, as well as a link to the collection. Thank you, Gina, for just giving us such gorgeous beauty for the coming seasons. So take care, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.